All right, guys. So anybody looking to get into Local 11, their apprenticeship program, right now is the time to get in. They have changed the way they sign up or the way the applicants sign up. So it's no longer where you sign up every single time or throughout the year. Now it's only 3 times out of the year, and one of them is going to be in April, the other one in July and October. Right. So right now on April the 8th, they're going to be opening up their apprenticeship application at 7:30 a.m. and it's going to last all the way up to the 12th, and it's going to end at 4 p.m. that day. So if you're interested in this right now, I'd say go ahead and get your tab. Go right here to laett.com. Let's go to info for applicants and let's check it out. One of the best ones, in my opinion, that they offer is the inside wireman and the ITS. ITS is a bit more physical work, right? But they get paid the same and it's a shorter apprenticeship program. So let's check out the inside wireman. The inside wireman is what everybody knows as an electrician. These guys work in commercial buildings, skyscrapers, industrial, public works, anything that's major, these guys work in that. And what do you need for that? You need an ID. You need a high school, original high school diploma, or a GED or a college degree. And you need to have proof that you passed your algebra, right? It needs to be a C or better. If you don't have a C or better for your algebra, go ahead and get your certificate through the Electrical Training Alliance on online tech math course. It's about like 100, or maybe it's like $200 now. And you need a social security number. This is just to make sure that you are legally allowed to work. If you are a veteran, and you don't have to be trained, if your MOS or your actual training didn't have to be like electrical. You could be any sort of veteran, right? And you just come in with your DD 214, and pretty much, I don't know if they still do it now, but you're almost guaranteed to go into the union if you're a veteran. So yeah, okay, pretty much it talks about what's an apprenticeship. Everybody should know by now. You just you go to work and you get paid, and sometimes they have classes after work or sometimes during the week in the weekend. It all depends how your union is set up. Um, here's the pay. So the starting pay is $24.72. This is as of January 29th of this year. And pretty much think about it as this is your first year, your second year, your third year, your fourth year, and this is your fifth year, right? So after your fifth year, you should be making about 61.80 cents. And obviously this is going to be covered with medical and your hospital. It doesn't say that it covers prescription drugs, so maybe you'll still have to pay for that. It doesn't cover dental or vision, but it does cover your medical. Yeah. And for the other program, the one that I think is also good, the Intelligent Transportation System program, it's the same thing. The only difference is that for this, you need to have a DMV record. Pretty much, this is a little bit less math for what you're going to be doing on the job itself, but you still need to pass the exam and the schoolwork, right? So you need to know basic math. So it's almost the same thing as your inside wireman. It's a little bit less, but it's the same thing. And this is a 4-year apprenticeship program, so it's shortened off, and you make the same. Okay, so this is more physical labor, and inside wireman is a bit more like laid. I don't want to say laid back, right? Because it's still work, but it's more so inside. These guys, intelligent transportation systems, for the most part, they're going to be working outside. They're going to be working with shovels, pickaxes, cement. And then one thing that people always forget to mention that they never add in this, dude, you're going to be driving these huge cars. So if you're not, if you don't know how to drive good with large vehicles, you might want to get better at that, because that's what these guys do. If they're not driving regular trucks, they're driving these like huge, like freaking 5,500 truck vehicles, right? Diesel engine, and they have a trailer or two on back connected. They might have an excavator on back or a water supply uh, big like container with water. So yeah. So if anybody's interested in this program, I'd say do it right now. One of the benefits about applying to an apprenticeship program that has like an aptitude test is honestly that you don't have to deal with the BS of someone getting in because they have an uncle or a brother or a dad or something. Instead, with these aptitude tests, it's pretty much up to you. Like if you want to study for them and you want to be, you want to make sure you ace it, well, it's up to you. You got to study for it. That's it. There's no if or buts. It's not like the other ones where they bring in their own people. So yeah, guys, if you're interested, hit 'em up and sign up. Got you.